สวัสดีครับคุณใจ Sorry, I don't speak Thai, but you'll have to listen to me in English. All I know is my chai, my lu, my dai, my ow, my. Here is my Xmax. I just finished crossing all of Africa with this bike. I go from Europe all to Morocco, all across Africa with this bike. And I'm on my way to Thailand now. So I hope to meet some of you guys. If anyone can loan me a bike, an Xmax, or rent me one for a month or so, because I won't be able to bring my bike with me, but I hope we can do some group rides. It will be really cool to meet some of you guys because you've been very helpful in the group. Some people even sending me parts, helping me with repairs and general advice on this road trip. It's been very difficult with this bike. They don't sell here. But you know Thailand has the best custom accessory mod community in the whole world for this bike. You guys do really cool things, so I'm excited to come back and see what you're doing there and also buy a lot of things that I need to fix and change before my next trip. So I hope we can make some group ride. I hope you guys will be interested in this story as well. And I want to do a tour to the YSS factory. So that would be really cool if anyone can help me organize. I have my YSS, you see, and they need to be changed maybe soon. So it would be really cool if anyone wants to do a tour with me and we can travel around. Here is the bike. I just show you all the way Africa with this bike. 40,000 kilometers I did. And I will need to know what I will buy. So it will be nice to meet you guys. Anyways, I'll see you soon. I will be in Thailand in about 1 week from today. So you think this video, I will be in Thailand for all of May. And then we can meet up, ride some Xmax. I'm so excited to be back in Thailand.